Good morning, Ninja Nation! Sandy C is here with a brohawk and a dream. I don't have coffee because I don't drink it. What's up? How do you like the hawk, dudes and ladies? Yeah. Hey, everyone, go ahead and hit the like because I'll forget to do that later. We're going to talk about mustard. Mustard? Don't be so silly. Put that movie in the comments. You know it. It's a good old classic. You just gotta climb down a rabbit hole. Hey, what's up, Ninja Nation? Look at this daggum thing. Look how much, I still have this much to go. Oh man, all right guys, let's get into it. Today we're talking about burns and mustard. Okay? Burns and mustard, what do they have to do with each other? Well, yeller mustard is a fantastic burn treatment. Let's do the, what is it called? I'm not a doctor. I'm just an idiot, as you can tell by my hair, with a brohawk and a dream. Yeah, I'm not a doctor or anything. But let me tell you a story. I was working at a local restaurant, and the primary giant pizza oven, big old stack, 5 feet high, 6 feet wide, 6 feet tall. Huge pizza oven. It's behind me, and it exploded. Boom! While the owner's arm and face were inside of it. Well, pilot light accident. That was fun. It launched him out of the oven, hit me into the line. I'm like, what the heck? But either way, so what happened was, luckily, my man, Captain, I'm not going to put his name out there. Either way, I have a wonderful friend. He was the captain of a local rescue squad here. He was in the dining room, so he heard the explosion, ran in, as good reverse responder he is, and immediately yelled at everybody, give me the biggest Lexan, which if you don't speak restaurant is a giant, biggest tub, big tub where you put all the food and stuff in. Give me the biggest Lexan you got. I want all this yellow mustard. We filled this darn Lexan, I don't know, that's probably a 30-gallon Lexan. Filled it with mustard. Gave my boss a straw, and we held him under that mustard for hours. And he was just hanging on, breathing out of a straw. Now, this isn't for second or third degree burns. If you got a serious burn, what this is more for is you grab the hot pot, you grab the hot pan, you grab the bottom of the coffee, you put your hand on the stove before it, was too cold. Maybe you grabbed a screaming hot halogen light bulb or something. Either way, this isn't for an open burn wound. This is your first degrees, your little stingers, your zingers. And this works fantastically. So it immediately worked for him, taking that pain away. I've used this before, and just even a few weeks ago, a veteran ranger buddy of mine was over, and after we were doing all kind of stuff. He's a one hell of a cook. But pulled out the pan a few minutes later, we're bullshitting, of course, drinking some beer, we're hanging. It's Friday night. He's cooking. Well, he grabbed that stainless steel pan that just came out the oven, and whoo, it was hot. So let's go over it. What do we do? Oh, dang, my hair's crazy. First thing you do, assess it. Make sure it's not a second or third degree. But if it's something like grab a pot, something like that, this is what you're going to do. First, you get cold water on it. Not ice, cold water. Run cold water all over it, okay? Run it, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever. Run cold water over the burn. We're going to pretend to burn this finger. Usually it's multiple, but we're going to burn this one. Oh, that is hot. So, you got your finger, you got your burn. Let's get ourselves an Indian burn real quick. Yeah, okay, so we give ourselves a little Indian burn. Oh, Jesus, things I do. Please like and subscribe. Okay, get yourself some aluminum foil. Aluminum for those of us that speak English. Gotcha. Get some of that stuff. And And this is where the old yellow mustard comes in. Any mustard does work because it's in the actual mustard itself, but yellow mustard is the best, easiest. It doesn't have as many of the additives typically as the other ones. So you get yourself some yellow mustard and you got your foil. You rinse this off real good, got it nice and cool. It's hard to look at. Oh, shit, I just made a mess. Get it all over there. Here, you can hear me. Boom. Rub it all over the burn. Wrap it up. And that's it, folks. Leave it there through the day, through the night. Maybe pick it up if it's still burning. Do it the next day. Do it over the next several days. Okay? That is cool. All right. So, what the hell? Why does mustard and aluminum foil work? Not just work. They work very, very well. Okay? I mean, my ranger buddy, he was a ranger, okay, and top of his class ranger, which means he was taught so many things about survival and taking care of yourself and all this kind of stuff. Well, I can't tell you what he did because it's badass and secret, and it's not for me to tell. But either way, when I told him this trick, he was like, God dang, that is one of the best damn things I've ever learned in my life. So, from someone who's quite learned, it's pretty awesome. All right, so mustard contains, right, allyl isothiocyanate. Yeah. Isothiocyanate. I'm not going to be able to get through that 5 times. Nope. Okay. Which is a counter irritant, which means instead of irritating, it does the opposite. Easy. Counter irritate. Okay. It's also a vasodilator, meaning it expands the blood vessels and promotes more blood flow. What does this do? This helps promote all your healing. All those white blood cell warriors can get to work like a highway for them. So they get zipping into work, helping healing. Okay. It also helps draw out the sting. All right. Now, what about the aluminium? Or aluminum for people that speak English. Aluminum foil, you could use gauze or whatever else, but the aluminum actually tends to help a little bit more. The aluminum draws, because it's a metal, draws out heat from the burn. It also helps draw out the heat because now your blood's pumping, it's sending everything there. Oh, we got to fight, we're hurt over here, we got to hurt. So it's pumping that blood in there. It helps draw the heat out of that as well. So it keeps it cooler. Okay? So there you go. Put some mustard and foil in all of your med kits, all of your cars. If you're reaching, you got to fix something in your car. You reach in, ow, you touched a part of the motor. Or maybe you are changing a tire and somehow... Oh, Florida, the concrete gets hot enough, or the tool gets hot enough to where it'll give you a little burn, okay? So any little burn, it's great to have this stuff. You should have a medical kit in all your cars, all of them, okay? And now include mustard. And remember, apparently there's a mustard shortage going around. So stock up on your burn treatment. Remember, I'm not a doc. I'm just an idiot with the coolest hair in the universe right now. Look at this. Oh, I lost it. I'm gone. All right, I'm just having fun now. Okay, go load up on your mustard. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and take care, everyone. And there's your quite uncommon sense for the day. All right, Ninja Nation, get after it.